Okay, let's watch this. What the? Don't talk about Jenna. Oh, wait. What? Hi? Nice. What? Oh my gosh. What? I don't care if you say that. Don't care. Don't care. She's not even real. What's this one?
Thanks to the dollar.
How much money to die in your hardcore world?
How much money for me to die in my hardcore world? You know what? $1,000 and I'll jump right into this lava. You're not actually gonna donate, so there's no reason for me to be worried right now. No one's actually gonna donate. What? I have to drop all my stuff and die? Guys, we just got an $1,000 donation and I have to die now. I don't want to do this, bro. You know what? I don't think I want to do it, bro. Oh my gosh, but I have to do it for the stream. Oh no. Oh no. R.I.P. R.I.P. to this world. Thanks to the... Hey, no! I'm so hungry. Can you take me out to get food? Can't you see I'm busy right now? Please, still make the world to me. Oh, fine. Go wait in the car. I'm getting my jacket. Okay.
Where is Vijay, bro?
Are we there yet? No. 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 Okay. Nick, can I play some music? Fine. Delete that! Nick, can you pull over? Why? I need a pee! What? Thank you, Nick!
Just hurry!
Are we there yet, man?
Boo! No!
What do you mean, are we there yet?
My God!
A few inches later.
And here we are.
Oh, wait, Nick, I think I forgot my wallet.
You what?
Nick, come back! Please, it's so cold!
Whoa!
I'm so...
This woman gave up a multi-million-dollar business just to save dogs.
Hi, I'm Otara. I'm giving street dogs a better chance at life.
Every day she saw hundreds of sick dogs on the streets of Sri Lanka. And even though she wanted to help, she couldn't because she didn't have money. So she went into business, selling clothes from the back of her car, and somehow turned this little shop into one of the biggest department stores in Sri Lanka. 16 stores later, she sold her business for millions of dollars. So that now she could open a whole new company where all the profits go to saving animals. So far, she has helped almost 80,000 dogs. People like Otara show us that real success does...
Only non-toxic players are watching, right? So you are not toxic. Now let's play a game. You have 5 seconds to find
The mistake.
Ready? Go. Did you find the mistake?
No.
If you didn't, I'll give you a second chance. Like and subscribe in 1 second for another chance. I have one more challenge for you. It's actually hard. Try to find the secret dragon hidden in this video.
No.
Your report card came in. Okay, before we start, I just want to let you know that I got an A+ in every class. Really? I don't believe you. Oh, really? Here's my report card. Let me see that. See, I told you I was going to get good grades on all my... So, is this the best that you can do? What? These grades are not good enough, Simon. You need to be better. Hell, I literally can't be better. You should always be getting higher grades than this. What grade is higher than an A+? Tell me. How about an A++? That would be nice. That's not possible. I'm going to get your father. Honey, what do you want from me? Look at our son's report card and tell me what you think. He got A+ in all his classes. What's the problem? He should be getting an A++. Okay, tell me, have you ever gotten an A++ in school? What? Exactly, son. Great job. I'm proud of you. Thanks, Dad.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. I want you here with me. I know that your love is gone. I can't breathe, I'm so weak. I know this isn't easy. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone. I'm sorry, don't.
Here, take it. I don't want it because I figured out so much more, and I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Like, this video was kind of my channel.
Aliens are real. I can't be possible. What? I have to show my dad's baby photo? Yeah. No, I have to throw it. Let's go!
Fine, at the end of the video, pineapple belongs on pizza?
Oh, what do you guys think? Everyone watching on Good Luck? Come on.
But if I make it, everyone watching will have good luck.
Let's go!
This video will go viral?
Can you hit that share button to help us out? Everyone watching it, like and subscribe. Let's go! Help us out. Aliens are...
Only you can read this joke. I'm going to show you a joke that only you can read.
Isn't.
Most people cannot read the joke.
What?
Let's see if you can read the
What do
joke
you
or
mean?
not. By the way, don't let other people know what was the joke. Only 0.1% can like and subscribe before I show you the joke. In 3, 2, 1.
Joke.
I repeat, don't let other people know what was the joke. Well,
Get off your computer and get ready. We have to leave in 10 minutes or you're gonna make us late.